In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Clickup. This process, while straightforward, involves several important steps, each of which we'll go through in detail to ensure a smooth and successful import. We'll begin by preparing your data, logging into Clickup, and navigating to the specific space or folder for your project. Let's dive right in. The first step is to prepare your data. This means ensuring your data is organized and formatted correctly for the import. Typically, you'll want your data in a spreadsheet format, such as a CSV or Excel file, which will make it easiest to import. Take a moment to check for any inconsistencies or errors that might cause problems during the import process. Next, go ahead and log into Clickup with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the space or folder where you would like to import the data. This is an important step because organizing your data in the correct place will help in maintaining a clean and efficient workspace. In your chosen space, locate either the plus new button or the settings menu. Clicking this will provide you with options regarding task and data management. From here, you'll see an option labeled Import or Import Data. Selecting this will initiate the process of data import. The next step involves choosing the import source. Clickup offers a range of sources from which you can import data, depending on how your data is organized or where it's coming from. This could be a CSV file, an Excel spreadsheet, or even other project management tools. Choose the source that matches your data format. Now it's time to map your fields. This is a critical step where you'll match the columns in your file to the fields in Clickup. Take your time with this part. Ensuring each column in your spreadsheet corresponds to the right field in Clickup will prevent any potential confusion and errors later on. If you have a column for task names, make sure it's mapped to the task name field in Clickup, and do the same for any other relevant fields like dates, assignees, or descriptions. Once you've mapped your fields, it's crucial to review your mappings carefully one more time. This is your chance to catch any mistakes before the import goes through. When you're satisfied that everything looks correct, click Import to proceed. After clicking Import, Clickup will handle the rest. The system will automatically create tasks based on your imported data, populating the tasks according to how you've mapped and organized them. There you have it. Your data is now successfully imported into Clickup, and you're all set to continue your project management within this powerful tool. I hope this guide has been helpful and has made the process clear and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and if you have any points of clarification or further questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.